Attention, friends. Today we will talk about what to do if you were bitten by a snake. This is an unpleasant situation that can happen in the most unforeseen places. But do not worry. We have prepared for you 5 important tips that will help you to act correctly in the event of such an accident. Plunge. Calm is the key to survival. Once you realize you've been bitten by a snake, the first and most important thing to do is to remain calm. Panic will only aggravate the situation, as increased pulse and adrenaline can accelerate the spread of the poison throughout the body. Remember that most snake bites, although a serious incident, rarely lead to death in a timely treatment. Try to convince yourself that you know what to do and accept the situation as a challenge to overcome. Breathe deeply and concentrate on the next steps to get help. Limit the movement. After being bitten by a snake, it is important to limit your movement. Stop moving and make sure that the people around you have also stopped. This will help slow the spread of the poison throughout the body. If you are in a dangerous or unpredictable environment, for example, in the forest or on the mountain, try not to move to avoid additional injuries or aggravation of the situation. If you have the opportunity, better sit down or put yourself in a comfortable position to minimize movement and tension on the body. It's important to remember that the less you move, the slower the poison is spreading through your body, which will give you more time to get medical attention. Call for help. Immediately after the bite of a snake, it is necessary to call an ambulance or consult medical specialists. It is important to get qualified medical care as soon as possible to minimize the effects of the bite. If you are in a remote area or in a place without telephone access, ask someone in your environment to call for help or do so yourself if possible. Do not leave this step aside, as the delay can be dangerous. While waiting for help, stay at the bite site to facilitate the search and arrival of medical personnel. Secure the bandage. After a snake bite, you must immediately put a bandage above the bite site. This will help to slow the spread of the poison through the bloodstream. However, it is important to remember that the bandage should be applied correctly so as not to aggravate the situation. Place the bandage above the bite at a distance of several centimeters and fix it so that it does not slide. However, do not tighten it too much not to interfere with the circulation in this area. Use any available bandage material such as a rag or piece of clothing. Remember that the bandage is a temporary measure until you receive medical care, so stay put and wait for specialists. Do not use treatment without consulting your doctor. It is important to remember that snakebite treatment should be carried out by qualified medical personnel. Do not attempt any treatment without prior consultation with a doctor or specialist. Attempts to independently suck out poison or use folk methods can be dangerous and lead to deterioration or complications. Remember that a snake bite is a serious medical situation requiring professional intervention. While you are waiting for the arrival of medical care, it is better to focus on adhering to previous tips and stay calm until the arrival of specialists. In conclusion, remember that knowing what to do in the case of a snake bite can save your life or that of your loved ones. Be prepared and trained to respond adequately in critical situations. In the case of a snake bite, each second matters, so do not waste time and immediately apply the necessary precautions. Remember that providing medical care in time is your best chance of a full recovery. Be vigilant, be prepared, and remember that your health is the most important thing. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching.